Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share our New England fall color road trip. We drove from New York City and covered best states to witness beautiful fall colors and to explore some famous places. Best time to visit fall color in New England region is first and second week of October. Please check the link below to get more accurate fall color predictions. There are many different hikes and places to see in White Mountain National Forest. We drove the famous Kancamagus Highway, which is 34 miles scenic drive. We stopped at various points on this drive and did few hikes. You can take your car on this historic bridge or just stroll around by foot. With a very small hike, you can reach to this beautiful waterfall. The highway ends at a very cute little town, Lincoln, where we had our lunch. This town offers many different activities to do, including this mountain park train ride. So if you have more time, you can explore many things around here. The next stop for the day was Echo Lake Beach, which has a very famous hike named Artist Bluff. It gets very crowded during the day, so please plan accordingly. And here comes the place I was eagerly waiting for, Cold Hollow Cider Mill, where you can see the fresh donuts being made from the scratch. Stowe was pretty little town where we did some shopping and ate some amazing food. Don't forget to check out this very famous and amazing brewery to enjoy some local beer. You can also stop for ice creams at Ben & Jerry Factory Outlet. Next day was driving through VT100, which is very famous drive to see the fall colors. We stopped at few places and soaked in the beauty nature has to offer. On the way, we stopped to have some maple syrup ice cream and get some fresh maple syrup. We highly recommend this place to indulge in the maple syrup ice cream and enjoy this amazing view. Overall, we had a great time. There are some other places not covered in this video, but we had visited them in many of our other trips. If you have more time, do check them out, especially the drive to top of Mount Washington. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such travel videos. Thank you so much for watching.